Hello, Clearbrook, North Dallas. 24 GX 550 out of Chicago. Gentleman owns this. Sent it here after watching one of the videos to get the install that I do, which pretty much eliminates all your edges. There's very few places where we can't hide an edge due to, here example, not being able to wrap in. But we'll go over that. We're going to go over the whole vehicle right now. So what it did is it came in here, and the first thing it gets was a decon. I deconned the paint because after transit from Japan down to Galveston, comes through California, hits the railhead, there's a lot of fallout from brake dust on the plane or the trains and so on. So I make sure I give it a full complete surface decon so that I have everything free from any little particles. In paint today, there's things called dust nibs where they get debris under the base coat or clear coat in the factory. We try to get all that out we can. And then we polish it, and then it's ready for a PPF or ceramic, whatever we're gonna do. But this one, full paint protection film, I threw some ceramic over the top when I was done. And I'll just show you, starting here, how I wrap all this in. I don't leave any gaps around these pieces. Everything gets wrapped in. Everything looks fantastic. This hood, fully wrapped, every edge, every corner, nice and flat. The car was done all in 10 millimeter, not 8. So 10 mil. This bumper was done in 8 mil by Xpel's product. Everything else was done in 10. I did this cowl, all this, and all this. Not this grill area. These were taken off. All these A-pillars fully wrapped in, so there's no edges. These little pieces are done in stealth to keep them matte. The roof line, these were removed so we can wrap underneath with no lines. He's gonna take it off-road, this gentleman, so we wanna keep all those edges protected from all the brush. In here, everything underneath the mirrors, everything in the doors, everything under the plastic, all the way through. Door handles fully encapsulated. Under the belt moldings, fully, no lines. All these are done. This is done. Full one piece all the way back. Wrapped into all the glass, no edges anywhere. So we take our tail lights out. Again, all this is fully wrapped in, all these pieces. This is all underneath this plate, the bumper, no edges at all, wrapped under this flare. I mean, what a great car to do. All this comes off. We do one sheet and then re-stick them. He sent me some caps here from Lexus to make them black. Everything gets done. That's just the highest plate. These little pieces here were done in stealth to keep them matte. They're matte paint. And then more of the same over here. On our fuel port, the door gets fully wrapped around and the quarter panel wraps into this hole where the fuel port is. So there's no edges. You haven't seen any edges yet on this full vehicle. If you're looking for that type of wrap, your edges are gonna get compromised. Here's the biggest place to get compromised is when you're wiping and you have an edge exposed. You're gonna wipe over that and start to fray it, or toweling will get stuck in it. That's wear and tear. That's not peeling from a warranty issue. That's from you toweling the car. It makes no sense. You have to wipe your car off, but unfortunately, this is why I wrap all the edges, because they need to be protected, and two, you'll start to lift them. So there it is. Everything looks fantastic. 2024 GX 550 for Chris out of the Chicago area. Thank you, Chris, for sending your car to me, and thanks for watching our YouTube, and all everybody else out there. Appreciate you. Thanks. Clearbrook, North Dallas, 214-414-3809. Bye-bye.